my love, yo. Yeah. Ooh. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I said The Reaction Boss is back in effect. Yo, people, you don't know, so yesterday Mother's Day, you don't know what have to calm it down. I wrote a little song with mommy. But today we're back with it, people. Have Jahvillani, Don't Rush, Refix, not remix, Refix, official visual. You know me, I say, now my subscribers, them all know, I say, yo, that thing is shot. You see me, I say, when you say girls in it, I don't know, so once woman in there, I don't know what is what. People, you see, if you just find me, this is the #1 place for the most lit music video reactions from a Jamaican. Me alone, I do it that way, yeah. We go for 10k subscribers, we'll go for that. Comment on this video to see your comment in my next video over there. So you don't know me, know some comments for this a while ago. Big up yourself, thank you for your support. But we see what we're going for Jahvillani right now. Run tune. One government. Hold on, the man pull up in the pro box. You see me, I say, remember the Don't Rush. Say if you come around with a slow taxi. You see me, I say, yo, can't be coming. Oh, go on. The video go viral again. Man, the video go viral because one could fight a jet a pass tonight. But ready, run tune. Chat too much.
Yeah, man. See also over here, my youth.
Yes, I eat that.
Oh, you mean my youth?
You say it empty?
How you talk about my youth?
Sure, dog. Yeah, one of them also look to see him in the dark.
No, man, I hit this man. Let me tell you how I use market tree. Right,
market tree.
That tree there, right there, so. I hit me use market, brother. You know
hey, I bet the brother here say, let me tell you how I use market tree. The brother here, man. Me know him not realize that him say, no. I'm tell you how I use market tree. But I'm tell you how I use market house, brother. Run tune.
Just put on a mask, you know, so that COVID thing, brother. I hit make it more easier for you, brother.
Yeah.
Right now.
Well, alright.
Deaf?
COVID.
Coviciously. COVID.
COVID.
Don't rush, Bumbuckler. That's how we put them in the house. A big girl, big gun. Bumbuckler says and go. Yo, out of Jahvillani or Chronicler, Don't Rush Refix. Which one better? Which one better? Chance time drop 1, 2, no. Out of them 3 there, which one better? And this I never get to react to none of them because I listen to the one them already. So which one better? I react to that one I know because you gotta go visual. Which one better to drop it down below in the comment section. You remember that, dog? Comments work, you know. And the rest of the man, we don't want 1 and 2 comment, you know. 3 and 4 comments so on from one person, you know. You don't chat already, you know. Run tune, man. Chat too much.
Rifle. Middle East, we are the mascot.
Yeah.
Man, I got from me a 1+.
Deaf?
And we are do it, rest of them a mascot.
Tell them we are God from we are yo. From we are 1+. We are running the streets. You see me, I say, look down in the community, I say, yo, I hear run the place when I grew up in the youth. I hear the general. You see me, I say, so you touch 13, you don't say that girl come give some beat off your jack. I hear general in the youth, I hear run the street for you 1+. What's if my father had that? Run tune.
White rum,
Hey.
in my cup.
Yeah.
I grade, so I load me the pups.
Deaf?
Hey, girl, turn round for the
Whoa! Tappy! Me see your girl. She a shine gun. No, so she bad. You know, so we need a replay upon that, you know. We need a replay. Come here, girl. Come here,
Me
girl.
the pups.
Hey, girl, come round for the gun. Hey, reaction boss is in effect today. Like the video if you like the video. I don't ramp with me now. Like the video right now. Look at what go on.
Hey,
Girl, come. Yeah. Mama, love yo. Yeah. Ooh. Hey, yo. Hey. Woo. Lord. Wee. Lord. Majid. Woo. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. What's up? Woo. Yeah. Run Tune.
And your mouth and cut. Me fuck black gal, white gal, Asian crotch. Don't tell you my heart nah
No vacant.
fat none. Put in your mouth.
Woo! Woo! No! Yes, Breeze. Come here, Breeze. Come here, Breeze. Come. Little girl, why you so bad? She have on the quarantine mask and do it too, the bro. God! Little girl! No, sir! No, sir! No, sir! No, sir! No, I'm fix my hat. Make me look good, girl. Me look better now, girl. You want me now? You so bad? No, sir! Girl! No, sir! Run down!
Girl, I be a back shot. Me no near meat like fake rasta. When me buy clocks, when me wear drop tops.
And the bomb clean go on there, sir. Little girl! And is the reaction bar scene right? Yo, people who want 10 and 3 and 5 and 10 comment in the comment section right now. And if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Let me Jamaica boy reach 10,000 subscribers. You see me, I say, and make sure you touch the bell in the dark because I want to get notified every time I post this video like that 1 year. Little girl, you're too bad. So if she need one gun, one iron, so imagine when she hold bad boy. Imagine when my boy say, Clone. Imagine when bad boy feel.
Funny line every day, chop, chop, chop. Be a ship pull up at the aliens that we have.
So on, she don't just beat the gun out. I go push her and take up a different gun. So somebody there try to tell me it's an actual gun you have in your pants. That's what I try to tell you, say, I have an actual gun in my pants. And then we got 2 thief in boy. Them talk about over the house. Right now, they were 3 man in the house and the man can hear them every single day. And the man go hear the grill a lot now. They say, run through them because you want to go on.
Could it be a long strap? Be a fat shot to your face. From your field so you can't violate gangsta.
Them man are idiot. The friend them coming at the house, they want to see the mood already. Them say, it's a girl is pro in the house right now. Eh? A girl is pro in the house and do him thing with them girls. And him come running at the house, dog. Take out the before they go back out through the door and enter through. Go back out there, so. Our business are going in there, so you see me, I say, girl, a shine gun, actual gun. You see me, I say, not no little, and then me actual gun. But with the extender clip, run through.
Play me go the rapture. Top striker, did the air drag back. Me get to the point like a decimal.
Yeah, I listen to the part that they catch me in the dog. Me get to the point like a decimal. Yo, that man me some sympathy, want me them some things like them going a song down, you know, say, yeah. School is dead. You see me, I say, school is attend. But as me, I say, the man said him girl for go to the dirty work. I'm girl him saying go to the work, dog. See how they think me no find you, me the man say that on your face where you that beat the gun. Are you that yourself up on the left? Are you that? Oh no, say are you that? Are you see more than that? That shine gun. You. And I see a mask there. Run through.
Yeah, Danny Bola Epican. So we got to work, not a petition. Glock 21 full up.
See the extender clip or know about that. I told me see one gun last night. See one 3 gun last night. I pull up on one gas station last night, right? And this is some moving out on the end. I go on. I don't know what them I do. But I think I heard them I grab the gas station or something, brother, honestly. But the gas station pull up, let out some people and them I go pick up some things in the gas station, right? I see the dog them there, I talk. Make my car start ready if you cut it. Look at that man pocket. Them packed him carry gun in the dog. Them man in America. Diff. And pocket. But true, it's a talk, it's a extender clip up on it, dog. So I see the gun. You see me, I say, so when them come back in the car now, my friend them, blood clot. And I talk about how the man I try to talk to her, blah, blah, blah. But I got a story, yeah, man. Them man are mad, man, dog. Man, I walk with gun and I care, dog. That Jamaica police shoot and they black. Run shoot.
Too sick for the medical where you say me done. Skeleton with the pan full of precision. Both sides make head fly like American.
I gave she a play now. She a shoot after the man already got in business. But them two one are some idiot. For one of them pull up in one pro box. One taxi one to a play can trace. And them can bomb in the taxi after. After 2 now, you're going in the house, you see some people dead in the house already. When you still try to fight, and you can't fight. You know, so you're not no bad man. Go back outside. You know, the girl outside. As Virgin would have said. Run tune.
Warfare 1 Gov edition. We cool-hearted. The Chrome 40 a pre-post Martin. No stone or fling you alone carnage.
There. Well, see you there. You don't shine the gun already, girl. I said that girl bad in a dog. Me getting a spirit in a dog. The girl that deserve a gummy in a dog. Big up yourself, yeah, mama. And big up yourself to Jahvillani. I want to think about that video. I know some kind of rate the song already. They me I say, but I want to think about the video overall. You see me I say, you can go on or get a 10. They me I say, I know say for the people them out there right now where I say, yo, you can't have them thing there not think yo, girl can't do them thing. Guy your bed. Deaf. Yo. I'm feeling every day I really don't know. Every day I really don't know what chat to about so.
String left your dome party. Me picture down
One buckle girl your bad. She blow it off too. Hey girl your bad no blow it cleat. You see if they kill a man so bad, see if they go on so bad. I was calling the room and say, come here. Yeah, bad fuck. Deaf. You do me? Yeah. Boy, I blow. See the clip. Anyways, I'm not talking about it.
I saw the government roll brawling. Rifle bus road like horse party.
You there be the judge.
Talking but I go walking. Feel we badness while you can't style God with your plastic smile.
Plastic smile. Plastic smile. Which song we hear that in? I remember that you know, me love clashing, I made the clash hype man. I said, you know what, fuck that. This was going every day, man. Girl got a boom. Girl kill off everything. That. I want to go on this, I get a kiss girl.
Man boss, big up every hot girl and tubs.
Class.
From you take you we can
Clot.
I want go for.
Hey, calm down in the bumbo clot self. But then some video done. One still go with so much antics. So what me turn off the camera? But them girl go and suffer. They must have Tyrekevlogs reaction boss there. And the lighting up big. I mash up my camera and the dog bumbo clot. Anyway, run through.
I mean never 1+. Dot.
Oh, what the blood clean? She push it bust out her head. Anyways, hear me I say. Now, I see some comments that go on the video them. I say, ropes, everybody you pass too much. I say, hello. Help me play the people them full song video I get black and you can't get for watch it. No. Next comment. People start worrying that talk about everybody you idiot, but know him talk, say. You know review, brother, you can't review. I'm not a review channel, I'm a reaction boss. You did me I say. I'm my own brother, I'm not afraid for answer nobody. You don't know chop already, my chat, my mind. See me say, me talk, I'm gonna take it back. You know me I say? Yeah. See if you have a problem, dog, people out there enjoy my thing, dog. You know me I say, so them people I'm gonna do it for. I'm hoping say, you wanna enjoy the thing I watch me right now. Big up your bum buckle self. You know me I say, drop a comment if it's a real support. Right now I give some for comment. If you still watch the video right now, when you comment one in the comment section. One. Number one, that's number one. You see me I say? But people are gonna do that because people rate the thing. I'm reason people do that. You see me I say? But anyways, I'm not making you stay so too long or 3 long. You don't know chat already. You don't know chop. When maybe get a second video to the boat, you don't know if I get me here redone. Bumbuckle, what that me do? Get me here redone and thing. You don't know chop. Big up on the bumbuckle itself. I'm out.